Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is a very short video about lesson 12.1. As you know, this lesson already I explained with lesson 12.3 in one video, but only one example there I couldn't explain, so I'm going to explain that example here. For example, if you have the rational expression like this, and this divide this, so how you will do this one? As you know that the divide one you should convert to multiply, right, in rational expression always. So what will be here? 5xy upon z square you should convert divide to multiply, and whenever you are converting divide to multiply, the second fraction will be flipped. It will be 4z upon x square y. Yes, always we have to change divide to multiply, and whenever you are changing divide to multiply, the second fraction will be flipped. And after that, how can you simplify? Just check the numbers in the numerator. 5 times 4 is 20, and check the numbers in denominator. Here is 8, here is 1, so 8 times 1 is 8. And now check the variables up and down if you can cancel anything. For example, first variable is here x. How many x we have here? Only 1. And down we have 2x. X power 2 means 2x. So 1 will be cancelled with 1. How much left? Only 1, which is down. So you will write that x. Now only 1 y up, 1 down. So both will be cancelled. Right? Now here z. How many z are here? Only 1. And here 2. So 1 will be cancelled with 1. So how much left? Only 1. And which is down. And now just give this to the calculator. 20 upon 8. So look at here. 20 upon 8. And the answer is 5/2, right? Yes. 5 upon 2. 20 upon 8 is 5 upon 2. And write the variable. X and Z is where? Down. And this is my answer. Okay. Now look at this question. Already there is multiply, there is no divide. This means multiply, right? So no need to convert anything. Directly you can start the simplification. How you will start simplification? First the numerator numbers. Negative 35 multiplied by 18 Mahara. Negative 35 times 18. What is the answer? Negative 630. Okay, and then check the down numbers. 24 times 15, which is 360, right? And now check the variable if you can cancel anything. So look here, 1x and here 2x. So 1 will be cancelled. 1 left, down, right? Only 1 y up and down, so cancel both, right? Here z square, here z. So 1 will be cancelled with 1. How many z left? 1. And only up, right? And you will write it. Look, I cancel x with x. Here 1x, here 2x. 1 will be cancelled with 1. How much left? 1, which is down. Then y is only 1, so we cancel both. Here 2z, here 1z. 1 will be cancelled with 1. 1 left, where left? Up. So you should write up. And at the end, just give this to the calculator. Negative 630 upon 360. And the answer is negative 7 upon 4. And write the variable. Z is up and x is down. And this is my answer.